Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this quick video, I'm going to be reviewing Spocket, which is one of the most popular dropshipping platforms for finding high quality products. But before we dive in, you can check out the discount link in the description to start using Spocket and take your dropshipping business to the next level. So first we need to understand what is Spocket. So Spocket is a dropshipping marketplace that connects you with the suppliers from the US, Europe and beyond, allowing you to sell premium products with faster shipping times as compared to the traditional drop shipping platforms. Now here are some of the things that I genuinely liked about this particular platform. So the first thing is that you are going to get high quality products because it works with the vetted suppliers for the reliable items, so the quality of the product would be great. The second best thing about this platform is the fast shipping. So there are many products that ship from US and Europe, reducing the delivery time as well. You can connect it seamlessly with Shopify, WooCommerce, Wix and more, and it also helps you to create a professional and trustworthy brand. Now I like a lot of things about this particular platform, but these were some of the pros. However, there is one con of this particular platform, and that is it requires a paid plan. You are going to get a 14-day free trial, but after that you will have to pay for it for the full access. So if you are serious about building a profitable dropshipping business, Spocket is a must-have tool. With the high-quality products, faster shipping, seamless store integration, it actually gives you the advantage that you need to succeed in the competitive e-commerce space. So if you want to get started, you can just check out the link in the description, in which you are going to get the discounts, and you are also going to avail the free trial. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much.